The horizon pulls me closer, a whisper in the wind. The map is blank before me. Where do I begin? No fear of what's uncertain. The unknown feels like home. With every step I'm finding a place I've never known. Let's go where no one has ever been. A world unseen beneath our skin. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless sea. Come drift with me. Come drift with me. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless seas. Come drift with me. Come drift with me. Oh, come drift with me. And come drift with me. Come drift with me. And come drift with me.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome once again. For those who are new here, you're most welcome. Thank you for joining. For those who are new here, please click that subscription button and a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. May God bless you all. Hoping you all doing well. As for me, I'm doing well. I cannot complain with them God. I know it will be a long journey, but finally we are here. Let's get started. So today I will be preparing rice and beans. That's what I'll be preparing for dinner. And I wanted to take you all step by step as I prepare the dinner.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.